In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $22.50 in just one day using a new money-making website that will pay you between 20 cents to 40 cents for every single YouTube video that you like for absolutely free. If you can just like 100 YouTube videos per day, for example, you will earn between $20 to $40 for each 100 likes, and if you can do more than that, you will even earn more. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to this website right here that is called addmefast.com. This is how it looks like. AddMeFast is a social media engagement exchange marketplace that provide us with the opportunity to like YouTube videos and exchange for points that can be converted to real-life money. It's 100% free and you get paid in Payoneer, PayPal, Payeer, cryptocurrency, and much more, as you can see here. Now, you can scroll down here as well to explore and learn more about the website and get yourself familiar with it. All you're going to need to start making money on the website is having a YouTube account. You don't have to have a lot of subscribers or videos or anything like that, just a YouTube channel, and if you don't have one already, just go to youtube.com and create a free account there. Now, let's go back to the website, and before I show you how to start getting points here and turn them to actual cash, let's first create your account. Just go here where it says, try for free now, and then type here your email and password, check I'm not a robot, and click sign up. Once you do that, make sure you go to your email to verify your account. You will receive an email like this. Just click here to confirm, and then log into your account. This is how the homepage is going to look like. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on here, but don't worry about all this stuff. You can of course discover all that later. But now, just follow what I do and click what I click and you can start making money right now. So, make sure you pay close attention. Now, like I said before, what you're going to be doing here basically is collecting points by engaging on other social media accounts. And that means you will get points if you, for example, follow someone on Facebook or like someone's Facebook post, or you follow someone on Twitch or Instagram or something like that. If you do any of these social media engagement, you will earn points that you can then turn to cash. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a minute, but for this video, we are not going to do Instagram or Facebook. Of course you can do that if you like, but our focus today is going to be YouTube likes down here, which is the easiest one, and you are most likely to make more money with this option. Let's just click on that, and it might ask you to verify that you are a human. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you can start getting points. As you can see, it says you will get 4 points for liking a video. And by the way, make sure you guys also like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So now, to start getting free points by liking YouTube videos, you can just click here where it says like, and it's gonna then show the YouTube video in a new tab, as you can see. Now, just go ahead and like the video, you don't have to watch it. And once you do that, you can just go back here and click on confirm. As you can see, after I like the video, I just got 4 points added to my account. It's as simple as that. And by the way, the website is working worldwide, and you can also do this on your computer or your smartphone. Just remember that the more videos you like, the more points you will get, which means more money. And consistency is the key. If you can just spend few minutes every day liking YouTube videos on AddMeFast, you will make a decent amount of money each month.